Hi guys, welcome back to STEM with Miss Carmen. Today we're going to do a science project that is also a craft project. Some words you need to know before we get started are lift. Lift is the force produced by moving air. The second one, thrust, is the force that makes something move. So some things that you're going to need is the instructions that were given to you. 4 straws, some tape, scissors, a plastic bag, and the string that we gave you. The first thing that you need to do is take the plastic bag and a marker and mark where you're going to cut. You're going to cut the bottom and then you're going to cut the handles off. Once you get that done, your bag is going to look like a tube. What you need to do then is spread out the bag, find the edge where there's a slight seam already formed, and you're going to cut that. Once you get that done, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, the next step is to cut that bag in half. Once you have that done, you're going to find a piece of cardboard and you're going to make a grid. The grid is going to be having 4 by 4 squares. You need it to be 16 inches by 12 inches. Once you finish that, you're going to take the grid and mark from the bottom 1 square in and 2 squares up to this point, and then 1 square over to this point. You're going to do that on both sides. And what you're going to have when you're finished with that is something that looks like this. And what you're going to do next is take the bag, spread it out on the table, and use your template to trace around. And when you're done with that step, that's what that's going to look like. The next thing you need to do is cut that out. So now your template looks like this. What you're going to do is draw a line from this point to this point on both sides and mark the center. There's a dot in the center. The next step is to take your straws and cut 2 of them in half. And then you're going to tape those 2 straws together. Once you have that done, you're going to tape them to your kite. The next step is to take a piece of tape and put it on the corner. 1 here and 1 here. So you have tape on each corner. Then you're going to take your string and you're going to put it on top of that tape and put another piece of tape over it to hold the string on. The next step is to find the center of your string and then make a knot in the center so it looks like that. Now this is the other part you might need to do, is find some more string so that it's longer when you go out to fly your kite. I have a piece here and I'm just going to tie onto the end. I'll see you outside. It's a great day for flying a kite. I'll see you next time with STEM with Miss Carmen.